Hi, welcome to Adobe Multicolor Piano tutorial. Let me show you how this works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into Adobe Animate CC and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Hi and welcome to Animate CC piano tutorial. I'm going to start by clicking on Action Script 3.0. Now let's right click to define the size of this page. So I'm going to make that about, let's go for 1400 by, let's go for 700 and click on OK. There we go. So let's make the stage 50% so that you guys can see it. Right, that's fine. The next thing I want to do is it's going to be a very colorful piano. So I'm going to select that and let's select rectangle and let's see the properties. You see the properties for the stroke is about 1. So I'm going to make that, let's go for 4 and just draw. There we go. There. That is fine. Now I'm going to select this because I want to convert it to a symbol, and the symbol is going to be button. So right click on it. Okay, let's see, that's the height. Let's make the height 610, and I'll make this one 80, 98. Yeah, just to even it up. Right. So right click on it and select symbol, or you can always go to modify, select symbol. Okay, and I'm just going to call that note C, note underscore C. There, and change the type to button. There we go. Right there. That is my note C. The next one is going to be my note D. But first thing, supposing I enter a name on this, so let's go in here, double click on this very note itself. Okay, come right down, or let's reduce this, make it 50 so that we can see what we're up to. And in here I'm just going to select, let's select up to here and just change that, press F5 up to there, and here that's just going to be NC, and add a new layer, and this one is going to be LC for music note C. Now the letter C, okay, LC is for letter C. Then select the text tool. Let's change this to white, and in here let's just enter C. There we go. Right there. Looking nice. Okay, maybe tab it a little bit in. That's fine. The next thing I'm meant to add is the music, but unfortunately I don't have the music notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder, create a new folder, and let's call that folder music. And in here, right in here, I have my music notes. Here they are. I'll click, drag and drop it right inside my music notes there, and that is that done. Okay, all of the notes are now right in there. Look at that. Okay, I might as well create another folder and I'll call that buttons. Let's right click and rename that to be buttons. Yeah, and drag this button right in there so that it doesn't look so rough. Okay, now select a new layer. This layer is going to be music _C. And now you see where we have down? Here we have up, over and down. Select down, press F7. Okay, and now let's look for music note C, and there we are. Click, drag, drop, and if you notice there's a line across, which means the music is right in there. Good. Go back to scene, go to your control and give that a try and see. If you click, you hear that, guys. That's nice. Okay, now let's go back in here. You see where we have the button? Right click on music note C and select duplicate. Do not select copy. Make sure you select duplicate. There. And that is going to be music note D. There we go. There. As for music note D, I'm going to change the color. Double click. I'm going to change it. Let's go for maybe orange or something. Okay, let's come in here and let's look for something orange. Yeah. Okay. There. I'm going to settle for that. And the next thing that I would like to change is the text on it. I'm going to change that to D. Right. Done. And what about the music? Right click, remove whatever we have in there. Now select music and let's drag music note D. No, we have to right click and insert blank keyframe first. Now select music note D. There we go. D right there. Drag, drop, and there you can see another line there. Come back in here, drag music note D straight on board. Right. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, now let's go for the next one. Right click on D, create a duplicate, and let's give that a name. That is going to be music note E. There we go. Double click on music note E, and as usual we need to change it. Let's change the color. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to select something lighter. Yeah, let's go for yellow. Right, and in there just going to change that to E. And right here, right click, remove, insert blank keyframe, and let's select music note E. There. Look at note E. Come to the stage, select E and drop it right there. Okay. Alright, so let's try these three notes out. You hear that, guys? That's fine. Select it all, maybe move it up a little bit. Yeah. I'll try it again. That's good. Now the next one is going to be music note F. Create a duplicate. And that's going to be F. Double click on F and change its content as usual. So this is going to be music note F. And the color, let's change the color of this. Click on that and I'm just gonna make that maybe green. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's fine. I like that. And get rid of this as well. Come in here with that blank, undo that, get rid of the content in there, and right click, blank keyframe, and music note F, drag, drop. There, back to stage, drag F on board, and so on. So, okay, now let's create a G. You see, since all of them look like plain color, might as well just music note C. Let's go back in there and change that. Let's double click on that and just change the color to plain red. That's fine anyway. And just change it to red. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I like it like that. You can leave your color the way you want. The next one is going to be G. Right click, duplicate, music note G. There we go. And G, double click on G. Let's change the color of G as well. I want to change the color of G to blue, maybe sky blue or something. Sky blue, right, that's fine. And just enter a G there. Now we actually need to insert sound or music. Let's enter, insert blank keyframe, and let me look for G. Here we go. Drop G in there, back to the stage, drag and drop it there. Okay, let's go to control, try this out. Yeah, that's fine. So what I'm going to do now, since you guys get the whole idea, I'm going to just speed that up and get back to you. Let's close that. Okay, this is how it looks like now. So if I give it a try, this is what you guys will hear. Okay, so what I'm going to now do is to add the Block Keynote. So let me change this color to black and just draw one Block Keynote there. Yeah, I think that would do. Yeah, and now let's change that. Right click and convert it to symbol. Now you can just select it here so that you guys can see it, and I'm going to call that note underscore C. Let's try that again. Note underscore C sharp, and there. So I'm now going to double click on note underscore C sharp. Right here, let's double click on that. Let me collapse this first and come right down here, press F5 there, and that will be note underscore C sharp, and add another layer. This will be C sharp. Let's grab a white color here so that we can print out our C sharp there. C sharp. Get it centered properly. Right, that will do. Now I need to add the music. So let's come in here, just say music underscore C sharp, and there, let's grab the music. Now drop this down and let's look for C sharp, and that's the one I represent with CS. Click and drag. Oh, hold on, here has to be F7. Now click and drag and drop. You can see the line there, that's the C sharp in there. So let's position it properly. Right, the next one is going to be D. I think maybe it's called D sharp, I don't know. Right click, duplicate, and change that to D. Okay, click on OK. Double click on the note D sharp and right click in there, delete, and right click, insert, grab music note DS, drop it there. Done. Now let's look for D sharp, drag it, drop it there, position it accordingly. Right. Okay, we actually need to change the text content on it to D. So double click on that and just change it to D. Right, that becomes D. Go back there. There we go. Alright, that's looking how I want. Okay. Now the next one is going to be F. Right click, duplicate, and change that to F. And we have our F there. Double click on F and change the text content there to F. That's an F. And here, get rid of the music and press F7 and look for F. I think F. There we go. Drag and drop. Now grab the F and drop it somewhere here. Position it accordingly. There. So I need to create a G. Right click, duplicate, G. There we go. Double click on G. Change this to G. Get rid of the music note and press F7. Grab G. There we go. There. That's G there, right there. GS there. Now I believe you guys get the whole idea. I'm just gonna grab the G, bring it on board, and then speed it all up. Okay, so before that, let's try it out before I speed it all up. Right, so okay, that's fine. So let's do something. Let's speed that up. And there we go, guys. This is how it all looks now. So I'm gonna try that out. So let's see. Okay, let's try something. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad, guys. Okay, with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. And I'm going to put the link to the music note on the description area. So subscribe and please thumbs up. Bye for now.